You don't need to be a tech wizard to wow the world with your story. Podcastle.ai is the all-in-one online platform that helps you make your content like a pro. But you don't have to be one. Record studio-quality audio and video with a click. Okay, maybe more than just one. It's easy to add multiple guests and share your screen. You can forget about the tech side and focus on your story. Podcastle records the highest quality locally, so you don't have to worry about internet bandwidth disruption. You know what? Don't worry about it. We got you. Editing your content is just as easy. Your files open right into our workstation. Drag and click to make your edits. Invite collaborators and edit together at the same time. Yeah, it's awesome. We have tools to make any project sound professional. Magic Dust removes background noise, improves dynamic range, and generally makes you sound like you're in a recording studio. Easy, right? We have music and sound effect libraries to sweeten your sounds. Smooth. With a click, you can transcribe your audio, then edit the text like a doc, and we edit the audio for you. With Revoice, your voice becomes an AI digital voice, allowing you to change or add words without the talking. We can't believe it either. It's that easy to make high-quality, professional content. No one has to know how easy it was. That's a 4K video and a 1411 kilobits per second WAV file. Never mind. You don't have to worry about it. We got you. Podcastle. Make your voice heard.